Lean Management Principles. Welcome to MBA in a Can, where we break down essential business concepts into quick, clear insights. In this operations and supply chain management series, we'll explore the strategies and practices that help businesses streamline processes, reduce waste, and deliver value efficiently. Lean management is an operational philosophy that focuses on maximizing value for customers while minimizing waste. Originating from the Toyota production system and heavily influenced by the work of W. Edwards Deming and Japan's post-war redevelopment efforts, Lean has become a cornerstone of operational excellence across industries. Its core goal is to deliver more value with fewer resources by identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities. This relates closely to its origins in production, which is why the principles may be known as lean manufacturing. Historical context and Deming's influence. After World War II, Japan faced the challenge of rebuilding its economy and industries. W. Edwards Deming, an American statistician and quality management pioneer, played a significant role in this transformation. His teachings on quality control and continuous improvement became integral to Japan's industrial recovery, laying the groundwork for lean principles. Deming's emphasis on data-driven decision-making and process improvement directly influenced the Toyota production system, which later formalized lean practices. Key principles of lean management. The foundation of lean lies in understanding what the customer values. Businesses must define the value they deliver and focus their resources on activities that contribute to this value. Anything that doesn't align with this objective is considered waste. Value stream mapping involves visualizing every step in a process to identify inefficiencies and bottlenecks. This systematic approach helps businesses streamline workflows and reduce delays, ensuring resources are used effectively. Eliminating waste. MUDA. Lean focuses on removing the 7 wastes identified in the Toyota production system: overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, and defects. By addressing these areas, businesses can improve efficiency, cut costs, and enhance overall performance. A cornerstone of lean is Kaizen, the practice of continuous improvement. This involves small, incremental changes aimed at enhancing processes and solving problems. Employees at all levels are encouraged to participate in identifying improvements, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. The PDCA cycle. Plan, Do, Check, Act. Also known as the Deming cycle, the PDCA cycle is a systematic approach to problem solving and improvement. Plan. Identify an issue and develop a solution. Do. Implement the solution on a small scale. Check. Evaluate the results and gather data. Act. Standardize the solution if successful, or iterate for better results. This iterative approach ensures continuous refinement and alignment with customer needs. Lean uses a pull system where production is driven by actual demand rather than forecasts. This minimizes overproduction and excess inventory, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and that customers receive products when they need them. Lean emphasizes creating a smooth and continuous flow of work, minimizing disruptions and inefficiencies. By ensuring processes run seamlessly, businesses can deliver products or services faster and with fewer errors. Lean encourages employee involvement in process improvement. By providing the tools and authority to make changes, teams can address issues directly, fostering ownership and engagement throughout the organization. Lean management in practice. Lean principles have been applied successfully across industries. Manufacturing. Toyota's use of lean principles revolutionized production efficiency and quality, making it a global leader. Healthcare. Hospitals implement lean to reduce waiting times and streamline patient care processes. Technology. Agile development, often linked to lean, enables software teams to deliver high-quality products faster. Challenges of lean management. Implementing lean requires a cultural shift and ongoing commitment to change. Resistance from employees, insufficient leadership, and a lack of proper training can hinder its success. Leadership must emphasize the importance of continuous improvement and provide the necessary support to sustain lean initiatives. The term lean has evolved beyond its roots in manufacturing and is often used as a catch-all jargon term in business contexts, such as lean month-end in accounting. While this usage typically implies a streamlined or efficient process, it can sometimes dilute the original principles of lean management, which focus on value creation, waste elimination, and continuous improvement. In such contexts, lean may be used more to signal efficiency than to reflect a structured approach to optimizing workflows or empowering teams, highlighting the importance of aligning jargon with genuine lean practices. Thanks for watching MBA in a Can. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or colleagues. Check the description for links to useful sources on the topic. See you in the next video.